Alright guys, so today we're going to do an unboxing and install and review on the Sinister diesel fuel cap. I believe it's for a 2008 all the way to a 2016 for sure. I'll post a link in the description, we'll verify that. But this is going to go on my 2014 Ford F-250 6.7 diesel. So let's go ahead and get into it. On first glance, packaging material, they do a really great job on getting it all boxed up and wrapping it up so that it does not get damaged in UPS. So you can order these in, I think they're very low quantities in the gray. They've got the green to match the diesel cap, and then also you could do the Sinister blue, but that being right next to the DEF cap. I didn't want to cause any kind of confusion for anyone that may ever have to fill up my truck, i.e. my wife. But after talking to their sales rep over at Sinister, what they end up doing is they take a factory brand new cap and they take out the internals and they put their cap that they create on top of it. It does have a magnet in the base, so that way then you're not having the lanyard drag your fuel cap against your paint, and as the wind blows or as you walk past it or anything like that, you know, that digs into your paint. I've got that issue in mine from previous owners, so it's definitely something I want to get away from. But that's the cap. Do a full spin on it. Sinister diesel, diesel fuel only. It's got a very nice O-ring on it, but we'll get it installed and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so this is what it looks like on the truck. If you look closely, let's see if I can get it just right. You can see that wear right there where it has swung back and forth, where someone does this and it does that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this tool and we're going to pop it out. We don't need that crap anymore. And that's the finished product. Alright, if you guys got any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. I'll post links in the video description as always. Thanks for watching. I forgot the most important part that people probably care about is the magnet function. So, take it out. And I mean, you can even do it to the back of the door to where you're not doing the same thing to the paint as what the previous owner did. But that is how it's done.